Hello children, a pleasant good morning to you all. Is everyone ready for your science class? Good. Now we are learning block 11, uses of plants. Let's take a look at previous topics. In this block, we learned about plants provide food, other uses of plants, animals depend on plants. First, plants provide food. Many things we get from plants to make our dishes. That can be broadly grouped as vegetables, fruits, oils, beverages, grains, herbs, spices, nuts, pulses, and beans. We use edible parts of the plant as food. For example, roots of carrot, beetroot, and sweet potato plants, stems of lotus, ginger, and sugarcane plants, leaves of spinach, cabbage, and tea, the bark of cinnamon tree, flower of cloves and broccoli, apple, banana, cucumber, tomato, and mango are some fruits, seeds of cereals, pulses, and nuts like wheat, rice, almonds, cashews, coffee, and chana. We also get oil from plants, sunflower oil, mustard oil, groundnut oil, and sesame oil. These are made from the seeds of some plants. Rose water, saffron, and vanilla essence are used to add flavor and scent to foods, and we also get these from plants. Cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, and black pepper are some spices. These are the dried parts of various plants. Next, other uses of plants. We get wood to make doors, windows, desks, and other furniture. We get rubber to make tires and erasers. We get fiber to make cloths and paper to make books and notebooks. These are the products we get from plants. Many plants like teak, sal, shisham, and mahogany give us wood to make furniture, doors, and windows. Cotton and jute plants give us fiber to make cloths, bags, and mats. Plants like tulsi, neem, turmeric, and mint have medicinal value. Oils or juices of some plants are added to creams, soaps, and shampoos. Flowers of rose and jasmine are used to make perfumes. Some plants like mehendi are used for color and it used as a dye. Rubber trees give us rubber to make tires, erasers, and rubber bands. Acacia and some other plants give a gum, and bamboo is used to make paper. Trees also give us shade from the hot sun. They also give us the oxygen we breathe. That's why people sit below the trees. Next, animals depend on plants. Animals depend on plants for food. Plants give shelter to animals both from weather and from predators. They provide building materials like leaves and twigs for making nests. Plants give oxygen to animals to breathe. They also help animals to get water through rainfall. Animals may not be able to survive without plants because they need plants in so many ways. People need many things from trees, so many trees are getting cut out. Because of this, animals are not getting food to eat and they are losing their shelter. Many animals run towards cities for food and shelter. And many animals can die in search of food and shelter. Plants also depend on animals. Animals give them carbon dioxide to make food. They help to carry seeds from one place to another place. They give manure to plants. Okay? These are the points we discussed in the previous class. Before starting today's class, make sure that you have all the needed resources that are content book and workbook of volume 2 and notebook. Some more needed resources for an activity that are seedlings of any vegetable or flower, water, shovels, soil and pot. Now let's begin today's class. Today we will go out and plant some seedlings. So the aim is to explain the importance of one Mahotsav. Put the video on pause and write the aim in your notebook. I hope you have completed it. Come on, let's start today's topic, one Mahotsav. Here are some keywords we will use in this topic: seedling, sapling, one Mahotsav. Let's learn the pronunciation. Come on.
Seedling, seedling, sapling, sapling, Mahotsav, Mahotsav.
I hope you learned the pronunciation of keywords. Now we will learn the meaning of these keywords. Seedling, a young plant, especially one raised from seed. A seedling is a young plant developing out of a plant embryo from a seed. Seedling development starts with the germination of the seed. Next, sapling. Sapling is a young tree, especially one with a slender trunk. Saplings are simply young trees that have grown to a diameter of between 1 to 6 inches and have reached a height of at least 4.5 feet. Tree saplings can be packaged in the form of root balls, burlap wrapped, bare root plants, or in containers. The key difference between sapling and seedling is that sapling is a young tree that is less than 1 year old and has 1 to 6 inches of diameter at breast height, while a seedling is a young plant that has cotyledons and adolescent leaves and has less than 1 inch of diameter at breast height. Okay. Next, one Mahotsav. One Mahotsav is an annual tree planting festival celebrated in the month of July. One Mahotsav week is celebrated from 1st July to 7th July to spread awareness of forest conservation and to save the environment. Okay, I believe you learned the meaning of these keywords. Now you can write the keywords and their meaning in your notebook. I hope you have done. Next is an activity. You all are going to do an activity, but that may not be done by right now. After some time you are going to do. Okay? The activity is to plant and grow some seedlings, whatever it may be, like vegetables, flowers, herb, or any other seasonal plants. To plant seedlings, you want to dig the soil. Next, choose the sapling you want to plant. After that, plant the sapling in the pot. If you have an open space in front of your house, you can plant it without pot. Okay? Then, water the sapling gently and name your plant. Come to water it and see it grow every day. When you get a chance to do this activity, definitely you should do. Okay? What do we do to plant the seedling? Yes, we need to dig the soil. We may need to add manure if required. Plant seedling and water it regularly. The seedlings grow to become new plants. Okay? What will happen when the seedlings grow? How will they help us? Good. Some of you say fruits, some of you say vegetables, flowers. Let's see the answer. These plants give us fresh air, rain, fruits, and vegetables when they grow. Why should we grow new plants? We need plants for various things. It is advisable to grow lots of plants. Okay? Do you know that there is an annual festival in India when people plant trees? What is it called? When do you think it happens? How do you think it is helpful? There is lots of questions, isn't it? Come on, let's see the answer. Just like you planted seedlings, the government of India started a drive of planting trees in the first week of July. It was started in 1950. People plant small trees called saplings in schools, colleges, offices, homes, colonies, and public places. This is called One Mahotsav. This drive makes people aware that plants are very useful for us and we should not cut them unnecessarily. Every year, millions of saplings are planted across the country during this week. In fact, we should grow more and more plants. The festival aims to spread awareness among people about the benefits of planting trees and the harm caused by cutting them. Did you get it? Good. Next parts question. Why is it good to plant trees in the first week of July? Why is it good to plant trees in the first week of July? Put the video on pause, think and write the answer in your notebook. I hope you have done. Let's see the answer. Growing plants need lot of water. The rainy season starts in July. So the saplings get enough water to grow. They will grow even if we are not able to water. Okay? The rainy season starts in July. So the saplings get enough water to grow. Next, practice questions. In your content book, question number 8 is your today's homework. The question is, can one Mahotsav replace the loss of already suffered by cutting trees? Why? Can one Mahotsav replace the loss of already suffered by cutting trees? Give the reason for your answer. Next, worksheet questions. In S4, first question, there is a passage. Read the passage and answer the questions. The Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh announced a week-long festival to celebrate plants called One Mahotsav. This is celebrated every year in the first week of July. The students, staff and principal of the city school in Lucknow got together to plant hundreds of saplings of different types of trees in and around the school. It is estimated that about 15 crore saplings will be planted in the state. Question number 1a. What is One Mahotsav? 1b. When is it celebrated? When is One Mahotsav celebrated? 1c. How will planting trees help future generations? How will planting trees help future generations? 1d. Can saplings be planted in any other month? Can saplings be planted in any other month? Give a reason for your answer. Next question of the day. Why is One Mahotsav celebrated in July? Why is One Mahotsav celebrated in July? Next, an open question to answer in the comment section. The question is, when is One Mahotsav celebrated? When is One Mahotsav celebrated? Answer these questions in the comment section. That's all for today. In next class, we will discuss the answers of this block. Okay? Do the practice questions in your notebook, worksheet questions in your workbook. After completing your homework, get a sign from your parents in the planner. I hope everyone will plant some saplings in your home. Okay? Save tree, save earth. They are the guardians of the nature's world. Remember that we should grow more and more plants. Okay? Thank you for listening. Have a good day. God bless you.